Hello friends, today taking the topics related to the numerical analysis. CSIR December 15 set B question number 99 unit 3. That type of problem is very important when the related to the fixed point iteration and the Newton's methods, convergence and something. That type of predictive problems come to your examinations. Gate is also come and then CSI and it also comes here. So let's go to something. First, watching the solutions, I will first request to you subscribe my channels, likes, share and tell to friends. जैसे आप सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, लाइक्स करेंगे तो ये चैनल मेरा प्रमोट होगा, जिससे आपको क्या होगा, मतलब ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचेगा. सो नाउ कम टू द प्रॉब्लम. से वेरी इजी प्रॉब्लम है, कंसेप्ट बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है. वी गेट सपोज अगर आपको इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है, सो विद इन 1 or 2 minutes यू सॉल्व द एंड वी गॉट द 4.75 मार्क्स. सो हियर ऐसा नहीं फ्रेंड मैं समझाता हूँ, मैंने भी सब थोड़ा रिसर्च किया है हाउ टू सॉल्व एंड समथिंग, देन आई विल प्रोवाइड टू यू हियर. सो फर्स्ट गिवन दिस क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑप्शंस. हमारा यहाँ पे वर्क क्या है फ्रेंड्स कि ये जो रूल्स है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल्स कौन से टॉपिक जो ये 4 ऑप्शंस इस रूल गिवन ऑप्शन को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. सिर्फ हमें ये चेक करना है इस दैट इज गिवन फॉर ऑप्शन. ये 4 ऑप्शन ये गिवन जो कंडीशंस है एक्शन 1 बाय समथिंग कौन से इस फॉर्म में, या हम इन सबको इस फॉर्म में राइट कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, राइट कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. तो अगर आप इन सबको राइट कर सकते हो दैट इज इक्वेशन. सो फिक्स पॉइंट इटरेशन, व्हाट इज दिस, दैट इज योर ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. दिस इज फिक्स पॉइंट इटरेशंस. न्यूटन्स मेथड इज आल्सो हियर, रैम्पसन मेथड या न्यूटन्स. द व्हेन इज कन्वर्जेंट, so that case f dash is less than 0, but here do not use here. So 1 2 first one by one go to the first options. So go to the first option. F of x is the given है, is x square minus 2. So f of xn क्या होगा आपका, या xn plus 1 भी आप राइट कर सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम. बट here xn square minus 2, xn square minus 2. So that case here do not write in that form, do not have given form, means that option is wrong. ठीक है. Next go to the second option. First is wrong. Second, Newton's methods for Newton's methods. So Newton's method is f of x is equal to x square minus 2. So f of xn square minus 2 and f dash xn to xn here. So by the Newton's reference methods, xn plus xn is equal to xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. So put values and check it. So xn means here, so it means this is the xn that it is minus f of xn means xn square minus 2 divided by 2xn. Simplify. Xn minus xn square upon 2xn, ठीक है, plus 2 to cancel 1 upon xn. So that term simplify here, which is simplify. So how much we get? Simplify this. So xn square 2xn square minus xn square, this is the means xn square upon 2 xn cancel भी हो जाएगा 1 by 2 something. So simplify this xn, that is cancel. So it means xn upon 2 plus 1 upon xn, 1 by 2 common. So 1 by 2 common, that is xn plus 2 upon xn. So here is xn plus 1. So that is xn plus 1 to nx plus 1 is write down that form में xn plus 1 upon xn to xn plus 2 upon xn. So that form में write down, that is means second option is true. Next go to the third options. देखते हैं थर्ड ऑप्शंस में क्या फाइंड आउट होता है हमें. third options. The third option is here given. Fixed point iteration is f of action plus 1 equal to g of action. So checkouts here means action square plus 2 upon 2 action. So simplify. So 1 by 2 is the common at it is, and here action plus 2 upon action, and here this is the action plus 1. So again that is write down the that form. It means that is. So that is, it means third equation is also correct. इसको हमने that original form में write कर दिया. Next fourth options, Newton's methods. For this go to the 4. F of x is equal to x square plus 2. F of action xn square plus 2. Xn square plus 2. That is your f dash action 2 action. Now this is the method, Newton's method. So again here is the xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of action, means here xn square plus 2 divided by 2 action. So here action minus xn square upon 2 action and minus 1 upon action. It means 1 upon 2 simplify, this is xn minus 1 upon action, 2 upon action, here xn plus 1. So which is not equal to this much here. So that means his fourth option is wrong. So only 2 and 3 option is correct. So that is the basic conceptual problems. And कभी कैसे convergence से पूछा जाता है तो convergence के लिए ही rule is here. So that type of problems. Take care friends. Thank you. Bye bye.